Food excites me. Look, shrimp in it. Hi guys, this is Dawn with 7 is Enough, and we are bringing you a restaurant review today on Lidia's Italian restaurant in Kansas City, Missouri. Okay, so we just had this. What do you guys think?
It was really good. It's like a hummus.
Yeah, it was really good. I like the one with the Kalamata olives, the brown one. It's really good.
I did too.
I like the breadsticks.
Which one did you like the best?
I like them both, but I like the breadsticks better than the bread.
I liked this one with the olives.
Well, good afternoon. How are you today? On your table, you have a garbanzo bean with basil and pesto, cannellini bean with a Kalamata olive, virgin olive oil, black pepper, our homemade focaccia with rosemary and sea salt, and the breadsticks, they're loaded with pepper.
Oh, they're good.
So what we do best here is homemade pasta. Everything after that is only excellent. So if you order the pasta, you'll have 3 pans come to the table. 2 will be homemade, 1 will be a dry imported. Today I have a ravioli stuffed with mushrooms and chicken in a rosemary infused butter drizzle. Pappardelle wide, thin, and delicate like a ribbon, with green beans, new potatoes, and a basil pesto. And then I have my fusilli. It's going to have some spicy marinara and shellfish. Everything comes with Caesar salad or soup, and today it is a mushroom minestra. Comfort food day, when you have a choice on salad, Caesar, Caesar, or Caesar. Oh, it does look good.
So that's like a mushroom minestrone, is that what they said?
And oh my goodness, that's delicious. You should try that. It's really good.
Show us that.
It's got all sorts of stuff in it. It's really good.
All right, I'll try it. That is amazing.
Isn't that good?
Yeah.
I'm using the wrong board.
Coming from a homemade soup.
Oh yeah,
Genius.
someone who cooks really well.
I really like this soup. It basically
Really good.
trash in it.
I just love
Homemade. Yep.
so good.
Our little pillows.
Oh my goodness. And the pasta, ravioli.
Oh my.
I'm on cheese.
Ravioli? Oh, that looks so good.
Chicken and mushroom ravioli. No, that's fine.
Wow.
These are favorable for that.
Oh, that's awesome.
Thank you.
There's pan 1. That's the pop.
Oh wow, that has clams in it.
Ooh, now what is this one?
That is a fusilli with the seafood, with the tomato sauce. Rice, scallions, polipo, and shrimps.
Looks awesome. Thank
Enjoy.
you.
Wow. Holy
Oh
cow.
my.
That's the pappardelle.
Pappardelle
You're gonna need a nap.
and green beans and potatoes.
You can go home and
And what
carve
is
out.
this?
Green beans, potato.
Oh wow. Yeah, you can see the chunks.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow.
That one has rosemary, right?
Hey girls. Okay, let me get. Hold on.
Oh, they're coming with all of it.
Oh my gosh.
He's getting his spoon ready.
Holy cow.
Okay, what do we think?
This is the gnocchi, and it is amazing. It just melts in your mouth. It's like feather light. It's gorgeous.
I got the trout. Really good.
And I love them both too. So what do you think about the gnocchi?
Really good. I'm not a big pasta fan, but that's good.
What do you think about the trout?
I love the trout. It was really good. I like it.
I could
It's
do
very
without your
fresh.
octopus on there.
Oh, I like it.
It's little tentacles. No. No.
Tina's just like,
Now,
nope.
is that squid or octopi?
I think it's octopus.
Something that should not be eaten.
You guys both have to try it all.
Try the pappardelle first. It's like really thin ribbon noodles.
try this piece.
Oh my goodness.
Is it good?
I love anything with pesto, and that's got the pesto in it.
That one's really good. What's that one?
Is that the ravioli?
Ravioli.
Well, that's why I like it.
Yeah.
That's delicious.
Try that with vegetables in it. But
We got those green beans. That's cool.
wow.
I think you should take just these home and save them for Matt.
I love them. I think they're so good. I made him eat octopus the
I know.
other day.
Isn't that what that is?
But it
you
was
say?
good. Okay, girls.
I want to see what's inside the shell.
It should be mussels.
I know, but is there
not a
anything in
pearl.
there? You never know.
It's not a gem in there.
Damn it. Forget it.
As much as I love the ravioli, I like the pappardelle better.
the ravioli.
And it's got like green beans and potatoes and stuff.
I've never had a clam like that.
I love seafood, but I ain't doing anything with tentacles.
That is really good, despite the seafood.
Grabbing on
So
the
I love
side
it.
of your mouth as you
It
eat
is so good. No, it does not grab your mouth. It's good.
Everything here is.
Till it does.
This is really good.
I could see coming here again just for girls' night.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
And what's cool about this place is their menu changes constantly.
Does it?
Because they use whatever's kind of the fresh and in season, what they have.
That pappardelle is really
Isn't
good.
it delicious?
Really
It's
good.
my favorite of the three.
It's kind of refreshing for pasta.
I'm a
Yeah,
ravioli girl.
I love it. So good job, Lydia's. And they've been here, what, 21 years we found out.
Yeah. We'll be back. Give us credit where credit's due, because I said I wouldn't.
Good stuff.
No.
Okay, I gotta eat some more.
vetoing.
Thank you, Lydia's, for putting this in the meal.
Yeah, what's this?
I'm loving it.
That's not cool.
They didn't like the tentacles, but you eat fried calamari, I bet. You don't eat fried calamari? Like when it's a little circle? When it looks like a little ring?
Like an onion ring?
Yeah, it looks like a little miniature onion ring.
No, I'll eat an onion ring.
That's one way to fix it. Just eat
You
the
are
onion.
cracking me up. So what do we think, guys?
I really like Lydia's.
Yeah, we'll be back.
I love it. I think it was
atmosphere.
great. So yeah, and what do you think of like the price point and everything?
I think it's good for what you get.
Oh, yeah.
It's like $20, $25. Well, you get salad or soup and then bread and
$18 for that great big huge plate of 3 pastas you got. I
Yeah.
mean, that's enough for like 3 meals right there.
You're right.
yeah.
And we got seated immediately.
Yeah.
I got our food immediately, really.
Yeah.
And everything, you know, is kind of sticking to the theme around, you know, the decor. You've got water in these type of bottles, and it's
I did like that. When
yeah,
we came in,
it's like the very theme, and they stick to it.
yeah, when we came in, it looked like
Although-
a vineyard,
Yeah.
you know, walking under the, like, trellis.
Sometimes I feel like I need more of this.
More water. Yeah.
Or was it water?
Oh my goodness.
Ooh, now what is this one called?
That's
You've got
a
a
lavender.
Budino, and the lavender Budino, and then you have the lemon cake with the strawberry rose ice cream.
Actually eating something fat for a change.
Well, get a picture of me walking out and you'll be able to tell I eat everything. He snorted. Okay.
What do you think?
I don't know. Let's try the rhubarb. Rhubarb's sour, right? So much better than octopus. Oh, it's so good. It's lavender. Okay, get your spoon in here.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. Nobody else can have any of this when we're done. I'm gonna
Oh
need this
my
to
goodness.
go. Yeah.
That is
amazing.
delicious.
Get your lemon cake.
I love getting proof that the skinny one eats fattening things.
Okay, it's lavender. If you put lavender in it, I will eat it.
Keep that in mind. I'm gonna try this. It's lemon cake with rose ice cream.
Strawberry and rose. She's going all in, like sticking them together.
Oh my goodness. That is amazing.
Okay, I'll take my little fraction.
Floral scented food is really good.
I gotta taste them one at a time. Okay,
Okay, this is my favorite ever.
That
I
ice
need
cream-
like 10 of these to go.
that ice cream is like,
Strawberry rose.
yeah.
It's amazing.
I would actually choose that over chocolate, and I rarely would do
Danica
that.
Pollard makes these in small batches. Okay. So we will very rarely have one ice cream that goes for more than a week because it's a small batch.
She makes a small batch.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
That way
that's
we get to
amazing.
rotate, and when we have special desserts like this, you
know it's fresh.
Wow.
That is really good.
Yeah.
She's amazing.
Oh my gosh, that is the
You're
best.
having a good time, girl.
We are.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, this is
Love it.
delicious. But then it fades to the rose.
It does.
It's like very delicate on the end. Starts out with that stronger strawberry and then fades to a delicate rose.
It does.
I just want all the lavender in the world to be in custard so I can eat it.
If you watched our video of Watkins Mill, this one did the plum pudding.
Plum pudding.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is Amanda, by the way, not this one. I love that icing.
It's like a lemon cream bagged on
It's a
top.
little tart, very creamy. That dessert is totally refreshing.
Yeah.
If you don't know about Lidia's, they have their whole like pasta making place downstairs. Yeah, they make their own pasta and everything downstairs.
Oh my gosh.
And we got a really good look at, and I didn't take a picture because I was already kind of ashamed of myself because I like harassed them and took pictures of the pork. The neighbor had shrimp with zucchini spirals, which is so totally keto friendly. So
I'll get my 600-pound life. Here I come.
you have what?
Lavender syrup.
Lavender what?
Syrup.
Awesome.
Today.
It's awesome. It's because I.
Pretty sure I pronounced that right.
It'll be like.